Expert says XRP could leapfrog Bitcoin in a domino-driven market shift. A growing debate is emerging inside the cryptocurrency community as analysts begin to question whether Bitcoin's long-standing dominance could eventually face a serious challenge. According to crypto market analyst and longtime XRP holder Jake Claver, the global financial system may be approaching a structural breaking point, one that could radically alter how liquidity flows across traditional markets and digital assets alike. Claver has described this outlook as one of the most important calls of his career, warning that a rare, domino-driven market event could force investors and institutions to rethink which crypto assets truly matter in times of stress. A market built on fragile liquidity. For years, global markets have operated under an assumption of abundant liquidity. Central banks kept interest rates low, borrowing costs remained cheap, and capital flowed freely across borders into stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. But that environment is beginning to change. Rising geopolitical tensions, persistent inflation pressures, and uneven economic recovery across major economies are placing stress on a system that many analysts believe is already over-leveraged. Claver argues that markets today are more interconnected than ever, meaning shocks in one area could quickly ripple across the entire financial landscape. The domino theory explained. At the core of Claver's thesis is what he calls a domino effect, a chain reaction triggered by macroeconomic pressure rather than crypto-specific events. He points to growing instability in energy markets, particularly surrounding oil supply routes and geopolitical flashpoints in key producing regions. Historically, sharp increases in oil prices have pushed inflation higher and forced central banks into difficult policy decisions. In this scenario, inflationary pressure could leave countries like Japan with little choice but to finally raise interest rates after decades of ultra-loose monetary policy. Why Japan matters so much? Japan plays a unique and often overlooked role in global finance. For decades, Japan's near-zero interest rates enabled what is known as the Japanese carry trade, a strategy where institutions borrow cheaply in yen and deploy that capital into higher-yielding assets worldwide. This capital has quietly flowed into U.S. equities, government, and corporate bonds, gold, and increasingly, cryptocurrencies. Estimates suggest that trillions of dollars are tied to this trade. Claver warns that if Japan meaningfully raises rates, this trade could begin to unwind rapidly. What happens when the carry trade unwinds? If borrowing in yen becomes more expensive, institutions may be forced to unwind positions to cover losses or reduce risk. That means selling assets, often quickly and without regard to long-term fundamentals. According to Claver, this is how liquidity crises typically begin. Assets fall, margin calls increase. Forced selling accelerates. Volatility spreads across markets. And crucially, liquidity becomes more valuable than speculation. Why Bitcoin could face pressure. Claver believes Bitcoin, despite its reputation as digital gold, could face notable pressure in such a liquidity-driven unwind. The reason is not technological weakness, but market structure. With the rise of Bitcoin ETFs and institutional custody products, Bitcoin has become deeply embedded in traditional financial plumbing. While this brought legitimacy and capital inflows, it also made Bitcoin easier to sell quickly during stress events. ETFs, in particular, allow institutions to exit large positions efficiently, sometimes triggering cascading sell-offs if redemptions spike. In a liquidity crunch, Claver argues that Bitcoin may be treated less like a long-term hedge and more like a liquid asset to be reduced. The feedback loop risk. Claver also highlights the danger of a feedback loop. As prices fall, ETF redemptions increase. Market makers sell underlying Bitcoin, prices fall further. Risk models tighten exposure. This cycle can continue until forced selling exhausts itself, often at levels far below where fundamentals alone would suggest. Why XRP is viewed differently. While Bitcoin may face selling pressure in such a scenario, Claver believes XRP occupies a fundamentally different role in the ecosystem. Rather than framing XRP as a speculative store of value, he describes it as financial infrastructure, a tool designed to move value efficiently under stress. XRP's key attributes include near-instant settlement, low transaction costs, deep on-chain liquidity, compatibility with existing financial rails. In environments where counterparty risk rises, settlement speed becomes critical. From speculation to utility, Claver argues that extreme market conditions often force a shift in priorities. Instead of chasing upside, institutions focus on reducing settlement risk, preserving liquidity, ensuring fast capital movement. In such moments, assets designed for utility rather than narrative may gain relevance. XRP, in his view, fits that category. The role of instant settlement. Traditional financial systems rely heavily on delayed settlement, sometimes taking days to finalize transactions. During periods of stress, these delays can magnify risk. If markets are pushed toward real-time or near real-time settlement, Claver believes demand could increase for digital assets already optimized for that function. This is where he sees XRP potentially benefiting, particularly in cross-border and institutional liquidity flows. Could XRP overtake Bitcoin? Claver is careful to note that overtaking does not necessarily mean price alone. Instead, he suggests XRP could surpass Bitcoin in functional importance, becoming more critical to global liquidity movement during crisis conditions. That distinction matters. Bitcoin may remain a store of value narrative asset, while XRP could become a settlement layer asset, used when speed and certainty matter most. Market volatility would be extreme. Claver repeatedly stresses that such a scenario would not be smooth or orderly. If this domino effect unfolds, volatility would surge across all asset classes. Crypto markets would not be immune. Short-term price action could be brutal. Even XRP would likely experience sharp swings before any longer-term structural shift becomes visible. Claver emphasizes that this outlook represents one possible macroeconomic path, not a prediction or guarantee. However, he believes ignoring systemic risk entirely may be just as dangerous as overreacting to it. As global markets navigate rising uncertainty, the conversation around crypto's role is evolving. Rather than focusing solely on price targets, analysts like Jake Claver are asking deeper questions. Which assets function best under stress? Which systems reduce risk rather than amplify it? And which narratives hold up when liquidity disappears? Whether XRP ultimately leapfrogs Bitcoin or not, this debate highlights a broader shift from speculation toward utility and from narratives toward infrastructure. And in a world facing growing financial complexity, that distinction may matter more than ever.